My country pipo, una welcome back to my channel today. V don come out come blast Venita, give Venita better woto after Venita come out to come like a shady tweet about her. And also Phyna claim against Travel Beta and the trip wey be say dem suppose carry her go. Travel Beta don come out come counter wetin Phyna talk. So a few days ago, Phyna come out to come tell us the outcome of the meeting wey be say she get with MultiChoice, and according to her, she say Travel Beta tell her to say na Kenya and Morocco na she go. Say na wetin MultiChoice tell her say Travel Beta tell dem. So Travel Beta come out to come counter the thing, say me and una no talk anything like that. Say if una dey talk all those things, e fit bring legal actions against both parties. And Travel Beta come end the statement with say we trust that this will be the end of this matter, which means Travel Beta don tire for both Phyna and the MultiChoice matter. So Travel Beta, una go just read wetin dey write for here. Travel Beta still stand on the ground to say na Maldives they go carry Phyna go, make for the vacation wey be say they promise her initially. And also Pepsi and Unique Soup don give Phyna the product wey be say they promise her 1 year supply of the product. They don carry everything give her. So for the video, as Phyna dey show people the video, she come make a particular statement for inside the video wey be say she dey talk say she no go even use the Unique Soap. So that thing come make Nigerians come dey call out say, babe, that statement dey very insensitive. You no need to belittle the company just because of wetin soap. Make we see reactions after Phyna make that particular statement for that video. The first person say, for the soap, which one is I'm not going to use it anyways? Must you say that in the video? The brand and you where they try brand self the F up. Dem deliver you talk down on the soap. Give Portable or Sheyi Vibes the soap if una no want am. Next person say, so if she didn't call them out, they won't have given her prices too bad. The next person say, wrong person don win shoe. Where say I won't use it anyway. IQ low. As they drag Phyna online, that one not concern the girl. She come out, come they drag MultiChoice again. According to her, she said which means MultiChoice lied to her, say the Travel Beta they tell her to say na Kenya, Morocco, now she go for the trip. Don't really know wetin MultiChoice the vendetta where MultiChoice get against Phyna, but whatever it is, I hope say they go settle am amicably. From my own perspective, I believe to say the grand prize wey be say they promise Phyna na 100 million naira. 100 million naira. I make MultiChoice dey negotiate say na 30 million naira. They say both worth of prizes, everything, both the prize wey she win, everything supposed to be 100 million naira. So Phyna now they claim to say no, say she wants 1 BTC for her account so that she go convert am by herself. But I'm not sure say MultiChoice go do one like that, because after all, na 100 million naira na she be her grand prize. So they go guys give her the exact amount, the value of the 1 BTC that time wey for 2022 where she win, and na 13 million naira na be the value that time. Everybody dey say make Phyna not fight for what is right, but I hope she go think and well, sit down and reason this thing well. 90 million wey be say she talk about. So even if she carry MultiChoice go court, I'm not sure say they'll give her that 90 million. You and I know as court matter be for this country, they go drag am for 10 years. The thing go see dey. Phyna no go get that money. So na just my opinion for the matter. So onto Beauty and Neo matter with V and Venita. As we all know, there's one obsession with Venita and her brother Neo. We watch am for inside Big Brother Naija All Stars, the way Venita just they behave towards Neo. I don't know the type of obsession where she gets with that her cousin. It's not normal to me. V come out for an interview earlier late last year where we say she dey complain about how Venita take deal with her when she was dating her cousin Neo. The extent say she even call Venita names for that interview, all those type of things. I don't drop that particular news for my channel before, so maybe say whenever watch and you can go scroll down and check for it. And for the interview too, V come out come call her Venita, say she too na one of the obstacle where be say happen for her relationship with Neo. So recent Neo come dey date Beauty Tukura now, and everybody don dey go gaga concerning the matter. Venita fans have been dragging V, they insult V, they insult Adekunle since. I don't know the obsession where that her fans get with both V and Adekunle. No be must say Adekunle must date Venita, no be must. The boy don't reject una Venita, reject the money una give her. Una still no one let am be. V have been minding her business with her new boyfriend where we say allegedly they say na DJ Sean have been waiting. and she there on her own. She have been posting that DJ Sean even before what be name Neo come out from Big Brother house. So I don't know why everybody dey attack her. So the particular tweet wey be say the person tweet where Venita come go like, na make V come out come react. To make I read wetin the person talk. Person say it's giving look at me. Na Venita fan o, you dey see na Venita fans, they no dey ever rest. E come say it's giving look at me, I have a man too and I'm happy. Blogs talk about me and my man. I'm also in a relationship. Insert caption, post fit and tattoo arm. Neo and Beauty, una do this one. So Venita come go like the tweet. As she like am, bloggers come go screenshot the thing, come post am. V come see am, na so V vex o. V come out come say a fool at 40 is a fool forever. So now Venita na be the fool at 40. I thought Venita is 37 years old. She never really reached 40 now. Venita not throw shades at Adekunle, she go throw shade at V. Like the girl, she's so obsessed with those two people. I don't know what be the problem with Venita and Adekunle and V. I don't understand the connection there. But as V insult her, na so Venita come back, come fire back at V. Venita come say, I'm not Jesus. I cannot perform miracles and I cannot raise Lazarus from the dead. Namaste. The past should stay exactly where it belongs, in the very stiff back. All are not too much like this. And all of us know just say V no be person wey dey keep quiet too. This one Venita don't reply and answer. It's going to be Gbasgbos throughout this night. See fans reaction. The first person say all this episode for one liner comment. If you wanted it in the past, you would never have liked that tweet. Clown behavior. Now Venita, this person they refer to say, since Venita does say she knows everything should stay in the past, she not supposed like a tweet where they shade V, because V know they come at you. So why are you coming at her? So another person can say Venibitas enough. V not send you, so move on and concentrate on your cousin's new girlfriend. Haba is giving bitterness at its peak. Next person say Venita, rest. You treated V bad and you wonder why it backfired through Adekunle. Leave V alone. Both Venita unicorns and her unicorns, they need to rest from the obsession where they get with both Adekunle and V. Make everybody move on. Those people, they don't even move on with their life. They not even they remember you. So make una move on. Leave them alone. You don't get fresh babe Beauty Tukura, a very beautiful girl. Why una not go concentrate on that particular ship una love so much and leave other people alone? If you want ship with DJ, that's her business. So make una allow them rest. Una take care, una bye.